This phone model is Vivo Y18. Now today I'll show you how to set up a new phone in this phone. If you want to set up a new phone, at first you select the language. I selected language English United States and click start. And second time you select country and click on next. And I have to click on it. I have agree and click on again next and wait few seconds. Getting complete. You just click on don't copy. And when click don't copy, checking info, wait few seconds. When checking complete, you can see an option called skip. Then you have to click on skip and again click skip. All services, click on more. You can see more option. Click on more and I click accept and click skip again and click OK. Wait few seconds after installing it here. But I can see my phone starting opening. Click on next. Click on next again and click on get started and show your phone loading and your phone fully starting complete. So yes, if you want to like this video, please subscribe my channel.